This is the worst day ever. Tell me about it. Lego minions? No thanks. Toys? Still no. What do we want to do? Rain, you're burning me to death. Robot Rain! Dun-dun. Camera! Hey, Robot Rain. This camera can record things. Really? Yes, really. But why? Because you said it can record things. Let's make a Thomas movie, Toy Story, on YouTube. 20 minutes later. Let's see to finish recording. Hello, Percy. Hello, Thomas. Good day today? Yes, it is. This is the best video ever. Let's show it to everyone. It's getting late. I must go home. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to use my inflatable pants to fly home. Robot Rain, you don't might want to do that. Robot Rain! Breaking news! A monster has been causing a Blue, what did I miss? Robot Rain, is that you? Who's there? Who are you? Rain. Whoa. Where are you? Blue, we gotta get out of here. I gotta call the police. What? The phone is in the kitchen. And our only exit is the back room. Maybe he won't get us in here. No. I found you.